Charlie, finally, Charlie, Kiss Daniel has dropped his Odoyewu video music. Charlie, we are going to check it out and see the way it's going to look like. I know it's not going to be very bad one, Charlie. If you look at the video that he did, which is Buga, if you look at the video, Charlie, trust me, you will love it. So today we are going to check out which is Kiss Daniel, the way his music is going to look like. Well, Charlie, if this is your first time you watch my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel, or if it is Facebook you are watching me, Charlie, what you can do to support my page is that, Charlie, is follow my page, Jira TV. If you go to Facebook, if you go to YouTube, they send Jira TV. They can't subscribe to my YouTube channel. Charlie, let's go and see what Kiss Daniel has for me. Charlie, we know that guy. He's a beast when it comes of music. Let's go.
All right, go.
Charlie, I already said that this music is going to be music that you love it. You know, when you look at the history of Kiss Daniel, I pay attention to Nigerian music very well. If you look at his music, that, forget about this Odoyewu and this Buga. If you look at the music that he has been bringing out, Charlie, the guy, trust me, he's someone that is very talented when it comes to music, Charlie, to be honest.
My love, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love to a place she loves. I'm a man, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love to a place she loves.
Charlie, I also want to explain to me the if you understand Odoyewu, I know that it's not the language of Nigeria, but that is not the problem. But the bending down of twisting their ways, atupona mubona Nigeria mentia say Odoyewu they no mubo atupa, Charlie. Charlie, this music is a music that if you don't know how to shake your waist or if you don't know how to twist your waist, you cannot dance. Because at the end of the day, if you look at the way they are dancing, it is someone that you have to do or shake your waist or twist your waist. So if you know someone, you are someone that you don't know how to twist your waist, Charlie, this music you can only be sitting there and be doing like this as I'm doing here, Charlie. You know, you understand? Eh?
My body calling and your body picking. Loving you, they make me forget, say I get problem.
And Charlie, this Kiss Daniel, he has voice of music, to be honest. If when he's singing, if you look at all his music they are singing, Charlie, me, as I was saying, I listen to Nigerian music very well, not only Kiss Daniel, all the Nigerian musician. And if you look at this time around, that guy, I would say that there are those people who raised Nigerian music to where we are today, to be honest, Charlie.
By the end of the night, enter bathroom, fresh up. I want to flex my love, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love to a place she loves. I'm a man, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love to a place she loves.
Charlie, if you look at the video and the way they do it, it's not complicated like that, but it looked very nice for you to see the way, you know. I think they did the same place. But if you look at the video, Charlie, as I was saying, when it comes of Nigerian people, they only spend money to do video, especially music video, and to come quality that you love it, which is what we are seeing. If you look at the Buga, Charlie, you that you understand music, you know they are spending a lot of money in that Buga. And even this one, if you look at the people that is there, it's not small people. So at the end of the day, it's going to spend a lot of money in this music. Charlie, but if this Ghana person that use this Odoyewu to sing this music, so you will not hear anything. No, the thing is like that. You know, everybody have a way of using their own, I don't know, ways to do what to make something for themselves. As I was saying, now this Odoyewu is a language of Ghana. If you go in there, Ghana people have been singing music. Odoyewu is something common in Ghana that people are using music to sing. But in this particular music, there Kiss Daniel is Nigeria and use this Odoyewu to sing this music. And look the way, Charlie, I know that I don't know Africa anyway. If you come to Europe, Charlie, everywhere. You know, even white people in their car going, they'll be playing Afro, especially Nigerian music very well. So at the end of the day, that's to tell you that he has been the game long time. So he know the right time and the ways to use in the music, and the people like it. Charlie.
You don't want to find my trouble. Enter bathroom, fresh up. She na me you come to when your heartbreak. Heartbreak, push and shit heartbreak. Now me the bite dinner for your man thing. Enter bathroom, fresh up. I want to flex my love. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a man. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves.
Charlie, this music, as I was saying, if you don't know how to twerk, if you cannot shift your waist like me, sit down one place like this, then you'll be, it's your head. You know, people that don't know how to dance, they only use their head. Whether the music is sweet, the music is not sweet, he only use his head like this. That is this music meant for, you know, people that know how to twerk, you know, twist their waist, especially these French people. You know, French people, they always use their waist to dance in their stomach.
By the end of the night, enter bathroom, fresh up.
Yeah, Charlie, I think that is the end of the music. Yes, as I was saying, Charlie. Because then there is someone that want to talk of music, Charlie. The guy, he will understand the music and he know the right time or the right words to use. Because as I was saying, this Odoyewu, Ghanaian people have to say music Odoyewu. It's something common to hear from Ghana music. But at the end of the day, you know, it doesn't seem so bad. Based on because he being Nigeria, use this Odoyewu. And even Ghanaians even like it more. I think Nigeria is going to be like that. So, Charlie, that is the end of the music. Where Charlie, Kiddy, Shut Up. Yes, Charlie is bringing the remix of Shut Up, which is made with some India people. Charlie, we don't know why Kiddy has to go to India. Well, Charlie, the music will be coming up, I think, 17th of this month. So Charlie, we'll bring the reaction here for you to break it down and see the way Kiddy and his India people, how they are going to dance. Charlie, we know the India dance is not common dance, so, but I know that Kiddy, when it comes to dance now, he's good at dancing. Well, Charlie, if this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel, or if it is Facebook, you are watching me, what you can do to support my page, that Charlie, do what? Share my video or follow my page, Giro TV. If you go to Facebook, Giro TV, YouTube the same. Charlie, I want to see my Nigeria comments and this reaction that I did. How did they think about the music? How did they think the way I do the reaction? Show your opinion. And to meet again, we out.